Hi everyone, this is Chef Petey. Hey, today is April 10th, 2020. Now we are into our 4th week of self-quarantine and social distancing due to the COVID-19. Everything is still closed and the stores are still out of toilet paper because of hoarding. Now, if you are in need of 144 rolls of toilet paper, you got bigger problems than the virus. Am I right or am I right? I don't know about you, but being cooped up for this long can make a person stir crazy. Now for me, when I get bored, I cook. Now for my wife, when she gets bored, she drinks. Yeah, right. Now some of you viewers has been asking me for the pepper steak recipe. Now so I will attempt to recreate that for you today. And in honor of these unprecedented times, I will call this video Quarantine Pepper Steak. Okay, let's get busy. There are lots of pepper steak recipes out there, but mine's is just a little bit different. It's flavorful, oniony, garlicky, black bean sauce with super tender beef. So let's get started here. What I have here is half a pound of beef flank steak. Try to get the good quality ones. They were usually about $9 or $10 a pound. I got 3 medium-sized green peppers. It's cut up to bite-sized pieces. I have 1 cup of jumbo yellow onion, cut up, just slice it up small. I have, now this is what's the big secret now to this recipe. It's the preserved beans that you see at the grocery store. So it kind of looks like this. Can you see this right here? It's just basically looks like black beans, but it's salted and it has ginger in it. Okay, and so what I did with this is I soak it with water, and so I got about a third cup of preserved beans with covering with water and soak it for a couple hours until it gets soft. And I'll show you how to make a bean paste out of this. Okay, you have ginger and garlic. Of course, you need the oil. You're gonna need soy sauce to marinate the beef. Rice wine. You could do any cooking sherry. Any type of cooking wine is all right. You're gonna need oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and that's just to make the sauce a little bit darker, a little bit more presentable, and sesame oil. You're gonna need white pepper powder, just a pinch. You're gonna need a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and cornstarch. Okay, so let's cut up the beef. So I'm gonna put this 1/3, about maybe a 1/4 inch. And you want to cut it across the grain so it won't be so tough. You're going to transfer it in a bowl. Now I'm going to show you how to marinate it. Okay, so you're going to put a little soy sauce, maybe half a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of wine, cooking wine. And a little cornstarch, and just a little bit of water, and a little bit of oil, vegetable oil or canola oil is fine. And you normally would put this in the fridge for a couple hours, but we're gonna cook it with it right now, so it's still gonna be okay. Alright, so this is the black bean I was talking about. It's been soaking for a couple hours, and I just pour the water out. And so I'm gonna take, let's say, 5 cloves of garlic. We're gonna smash it up here with the side of the knife, and then we're just gonna Chop it up, mince it up real good. Alright. And then you're just gonna smash it up with a spoon. Then you could put a little oil in. This may be half a teaspoon. And this black bean sauce, you can actually use it for shrimp and lobster sauce, beef with green beans, and lots of other dishes. Okay. And then what you do is you're gonna put it into a container and put it in your fridge, and you can use it next time. All we need is about 1 tablespoon for what we're doing today. Okay? Alright, let's get cooking. Alright, we're gonna put a couple of slices of ginger in there. Maybe 3 or 4 slices. Smash it up so we can get the flavor out when we cook. Alright, got the wok heated up. Put a little bit of oil in here. Ginger. This is my first time I'm trying out this, my 14-inch wok here. Just bought that today. I love it. I'm trying to get the flavor out and have it infused with the oil. Alright, and then now we're just going to add the beef. You want to sear the beef right now until it barely turns color. And now we're going to add the onions. Then I add the peppers. I have a cup of water. You can also put soup stock or chicken stock or beef stock in here. Now we're just going to let it cook. Alright, see, the pepper is just about tender here. Now let's start putting the seasoning in. Again, we're going to go 1 teaspoon of the black bean sauce. Got 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of white pepper powder, sesame oil, just a dash, oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, that's closer to 1/2 tablespoon, and dark soy just to make it a little bit more presentable. And now we can add our cornstarch water mixture. Just slowly add it in until it gets thick. And that is it. And for our taste test, got a piece of onion, got a piece of beef, and pepper. Very garlicky, very oniony, and the beef is very tender. Okay. I want you guys to try this at home. Let me know what you think. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Quite a few of the viewers are interested in Dragon House t-shirts, similar to this. So if you're interested in having one of these shirts, please leave your comment below, and then I'll try to get some shirts to send out. Okay, next time.